Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing Windows Whistler build 2419. First thing you want to do is also you might notice the Windows Whistler build 2202. I'm going to install it tomorrow because it has to be Windows 98. I was like, what if I do it on Windows XP? Because I was thinking it had a blue screen. It's like one of the Longhorn builds. But then I realized, oh wait, Windows XP is newer than it, so it's still the blue screen. And I was like, what's older than it? Windows 98. Luckily, Windows 98 is over here. And I made a duplicate of it. That's not the duplicate, but I made it, and it actually worked. So be prepared to have a Windows 98 Windows Whistler build 2202 double tutorial. So, anyways, in order to install this Windows build, Windows Whistler build 2419, I always get confused with the Longhorn and Whistler because I've been installing Longhorn too much. Okay, anyways, you want to press new, type in yeah, like that. I already have a build of this actually, but I'm installing it again so you guys can see. So after that, you want to click next. Ignore what I'm doing here unless you know what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna boost that up a little bit, not as much as Longhorn because it isn't Longhorn. Next, create, next, boost it up a little bit, create. Then you want to go to settings, you want to go to storage, click on the empty disk, click on this disk, and you'll see this folder right here. You click on that, then you go to downloads, click on that, and you'll see .71cd.iso. Click that, press OK. Then you boot it up. Hit the key of choice, enter. Darn phone. You have to click cancel. Yes. Date is what you type in. And then you type in 01-13-2001. Press enter. Press the control button, but it's not the left one, it's actually the right one. The one on your right hand. You right click on that little disk down there. You click on the top folder. Go click on downloads. And you'll see this thing right here. You want to click on that. And then you go to machine. Reset it. And boom. It might come up with a little thingy. You just press OK. As you can see, Windows Whistler setup. I always got like blue screen on these or fatal errors, and I was like, what am I doing wrong? And then I realized that I never put in the build date. Press enter, press enter, press F8, press enter, go up to the NTFS file system quick. Press enter, and it'll load all this. Don't press anything to do whatever to CD. Unlike my Windows Longhorn tutorials, it's Windows Whistler, it's different. Okay? This shouldn't take that long at all. Also, if I reach 64 subscribers, I will literally play Mario 64. Also, Yesterday was the best day. No, not the best day, but the second best day of my channel. Ever. I think. Yeah. This month is the best month of my channel. Also, Minecraft might be the #1 video by this time. But press enter to reboot your computer. Don't press anything unlike my Windows Longhorn tutorials. Be patient. Boom. Boom, I said. Come on. Yeah. You thought it didn't work. I wouldn't have uploaded this if it didn't work. I didn't upload any of the other ones. If you go to down, you might see something in the description that is like a Google document, and that is like, so let's say you want to go on my channel and you're like, what's the difference? You got all the videos on your Google Doc, you got all the videos on your channel. You see, on the Google Doc, I have this thing where if you click on one of the Windows builds, it'll show you a link, and then you could click on that link and it'll take you to the I'm sorry, my mouth is kind of dry. I've been talking for too long. It's gonna take you to the tutorial of that build, and it's really cool. Also, with that thing, the difference is that you could see maybe some upcoming videos if I finish them and like they're scheduled for like later that day. You can see them. You can't see them early though, because they're all private, but you can see they're upcoming. Also, this thing's up, I know, but yeah. Also, you can see builds that didn't work and only work on VMware, so you could go and find that build and install it on VMware if you have it, and boom. So click next. Mepper. Yes. Click next. Product key. Oh no, I don't have it. Just kidding, I have it. Skip to the end of this because it might take a while. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before. 64 subscribers equals Mario 64 on the real Nintendo 64. No virtual machines. I don't have any other virtual machine of Mario 64 besides the Wii U. Wii U is meh. I have good experiences with the Wii U, probably because it was my third oldest console, right behind Xbox 360 and the Wii. Both of those, I don't know which one I got first. I think I got those at the same time. Also, click next. Who cares about the password? You don't need one. Next. That took not that long at all. Next. It's at this moment where I usually get like a fatal error. If you put in the wrong date and got a fatal error, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to do it again. Load. Don't give me a fatal error. Don't do it. I'm wondering. Oh, okay, no fatal error. I'm gonna upload. Right now, I'm not doing it because it's the day before this video comes out. But I'm gonna be uploading Minecraft videos alongside these Windows videos because I really don't want to just be stuck with this Windows stuff. Like, what do I do after I'm done installing all the Windows? Just redo all of them? That wouldn't be fun. So I'm doing Minecraft plus Windows. Also, I might play Geometry Dash. Oh, I'm gonna play Geometry Dash. It's not gonna be a main thing. I'm just gonna play it once. I don't know when, but it's maybe on a live stream actually. 1,000 views special live stream. finally coming with Geometry Dash. Actually, might be like a 2,000 views live stream. I'm sorry, I just doubled the things. Like, instead of having 32 subscribers for a live stream, 64. Instead of having 1,000 views for a live stream, 2,000. I'm sorry, I just haven't had enough interesting stuff. I would have done a live stream on the Windows if it wasn't for the Virtualbox error. Nobody watched my video on the thing where I literally lost 72 different variations of Windows. 72 different Windows. I was so sad. Darn Virtualbox erased all of them. And yeah, that sucked. But at least I get to install them all again. That isn't such a good thing. Also, there's this one build I'm gonna install. It's called Windows Whistler Build 2257. This one is very special to me. Very, very special. It's because first, it was the last Windows I installed before all of them got erased. The last one. The second thing is that that Windows, I was like, oh, I want to install this before I installed any of the Windows. I'm like, this one's cursed. It has the Windows 2000 boot screen, but it says Whistler on it, and I forgot it exists. I'm like, oh, I know the boot screen, but the start screen is just as important, because I remember that start menu with it button looks funny. I had it in one of the Minecraft glitch videos when I was building it, but it was like a box. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna install that, but I'm just gonna basically go to subscribe to a channel called Everything Epan, because that's basically the whole reason why I did this Windows thing, because of that channel, and it's the whole reason why I installed that build in the first place. I would have only had 71. My tutorial is gonna just be like that tutorial, but it's gonna be more recent because theirs was released in 2017. This one's gonna be released in 2020. Go support Everything Epan. They're the reason why I did this in the first place. I couldn't have done it without that channel. So yeah, they also have a bunch of Windows tutorials. I'm not gonna be doing, like, they have tutorials on Windows that I'm probably not gonna install. Like any of the main, I'm more about the betas, like all the Windows betas and like the main builds. But they have that on their channel, so if you wanna go watch some Windows tutorials, they're the channel to do that. I'm gonna have my own, but yeah. I lost a whole bunch of views probably saying this, but I gotta support the creator that inspired me to do this in the first place. I'm not sure if they upload anymore even. Oh! Stop it! It's not a fatal error. Don't worry, guys. It's not a fatal error. Don't press anything. This might take a while. This is the reason. The start screen is the reason why I installed this build. Start screen is probably the reason why I install most of the builds. Yes. Boom. That's how you do it. That's how you install this Windows. Oh no, I don't want to. Okay, the volume's not on. I don't want to get copyright claimed again. Shut up, wizard. No. Oh wait, there's no music playing. I swear, if I turn this on and just some music be like do 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 or whatever. You know what? I'm gonna just skip this whole part. You click next. I was talking about something earlier, but I just edited it out because it was bad. Click yes, click next, click no, click next, click no, I guess yes. Also, wait, what was I gonna say? I was afraid that there's no music playing in the background, don't worry. But in one of my videos I got copyright claimed for using music. I understand. So I had to like, part of it wasn't completely mute, but it might have I'm adding in the names of all my channels. Boom, that's all my channels, upcoming ones. Yeah, this, and I'm gonna have a channel that just has literally no name, with just videos with no name. Yeah, I guess that's it. Task manager. I haven't edited besides that one part where I barely edited this video at all. Which one should I pick? Fish, cat, soccer ball. Yes. Mepper. Ooh, it's the Windows Whistler background. Yay. As you can see, that's basically how to install it. I really hope you enjoyed. Just watch more of my videos if you enjoyed. Doesn't matter if you hit the like button or not, or subscribe. Well, do subscribe so I play Mario 64. But my computer. Oh my god. Help. About Windows. As you can see, this is the About Windows screen. This product is licensed to Mepper. I'm running out of things to talk about. This video is 19 minutes long? What?